so crazy. Real light. If y'all boys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, man. I drop consistent bangers. And if y'all haven't checked, go over and follow me on Instagram, man. I drop behind the scenes content. Now let's get into the video. YouTube, it's your boy Dave. Coming to y'all with another YouTube video, man. And today I'm dropping another banger for y'all. And before we even get to the video, make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. This video is gonna be a banger, so make sure that y'all watch it all the way through, y'all. Right now we going to this beach up the street. Get some little pics in, but we had a little car meet right now, so I'm gonna show y'all a couple cars. Look, y'all, I've been trying to go around different people and get like different sceneries and all that, because I know y'all probably tired of being in the city with the same Hellcats and Trackhawks and all of that. So I've been trying to hang around the people. We in Indiana right now. Got a big C8 behind me, Corvette. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful over here. Try to put it in wide view for y'all in a minute, cause I know y'all like the wide view. Look, I got a whole lineup behind me. My boy pulled up in his Durango Scotty. Got a C8 behind me. Another Vetti BMW. GTR, big GTR, not the little GTR. What up, bro?
Okay, please.
Appreciate you. That joint looks so good, boy. That Durango looks so good.
Well, got the scan out.
Let me see how this motherfucker coming. Yeah, I don't even got the hood on this shit. You say F the car wash.
Oh, bro, I need to get one. No, what up, boy?
I ain't know nothing. Chilling. Drove a little hour.
We got the shit in the back.
Make sure that y'all go subscribe to my boy Big Hellcat Rango.
Yeah.
Rangoski.
No, we had to, bro.
Bro, you know that. You recording today? Or nah?
Come on, man.
Oh, bro, you know that.
Yeah.
Turn this light on.
Free.
Dick sucking. There you go. Put them right there.
Whichever one was the most expensive. Because then I could change it to just red going out, green going in and out.
That motherfucker looks so damn low compared to your damn car.
C8.
Yeah. Bro, that's his damn daddy car, boy. He finna take that motherfucker back to the crib, boy. Oh, bro. That bitch got yellow seat belts. Damn. That motherfucker low-key decent, though, but that joint too damn small for me, bro.
He said that was a rental.
Talking about a rental. It ain't a motherfucking rental. That's somebody's shit with all of these badges on. Not badges, but decals. Y'all know what I'm saying. Hell no, that ain't a rental. That motherfucker got a real plate on it. Oh, bro, folks got hella sponsors. Don't tell me you finna do a burnout.
I'm burning
What? Yeah, that.
I'm leaving that motherfucker.
Folks don't know what he doing, folks. Bring that bitch back to Poppy. Bring that bitch back to your pops, boy. You tweaking out here trying to show off. We outside tonight, though, y'all. Know that.
Hot as hell.
Oh, bro.
You tweak when you put them jeans on.
Man.
Trying to look cute and shit.
Got a little hole in it. Giving me a little something.
Well, that hole ain't doing shit.
Hey, whoever owned that crib right there, I know they got a bag. See that crib all the way down on the corner?
That's a whole crib, bro.
Yeah, that's a crib, buddy. That's a house on the beach.
It's not
60,000 for this motherfucker right now.
Come on.
For a 60 bar?
It's one of them ones. I ain't pay for this shit.
Let me check the VIN.
I ain't pay for this shit.
Just clean half of it. Yo ass blacking.
Damn.
That shit just smearing it.
Oh, mama. So it just goes to the wash. So that's smooth.
When he was cleaning the car for that shit was just funny as hell.
How you feeling, my boy?
I'm just enjoying all the cars.
Oh, bro.
I'll be there with y'all one day.
Hell yeah, my boy next coming soon, man. Say this damn clip, cause this shit coming real soon. Oh, bro.
Oh yeah, this bitch getting me sturdy. That one two combo.
Elbow grease.
That bitch still got hella shit right here.
You can't see it from the car though.
You can't, this bitch clean though.
Oh yeah, that joint getting you right. Yeah, all the little beach look of these whips. This joint looks so nasty. Y'all can't even really tell, but that's pink right now. Y'all probably can't really tell. 5.0. That color look good. Black seats.
I should can with this. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, right. That shit perfect too. Red guts, boy, that's perfect.
Damn, I tweet. Not recording.
He done revved that motherfucker. That shit smell like slime.
What the hell?
Kid slime, bro. I ain't even get it on thick. He tweaking. Just over rev that motherfucker. Alright, y'all. So we literally waiting on one more person. Then we might head back to the crib. It all depends on how they feeling, honestly. And look, y'all, let me know, would y'all rather take a Durango truck or would y'all rather take a Trackhawk? Let me know, Hellcat Durango or a Trackhawk. Hey, OBG. Nephew. Y'all know the party don't start until Jay pop out. Damn, his leg was just leaking like a motherfucker. Like he just fell off that motherfucker. It's so crazy how the camera lift on that joint. Hold up. Y'all go see it close. Oh my God. Yeah, that shit's so raw.
You know what's crazy though?
What?
The old car, bro, you was able to push it in. So you can't even open it from the back. You gotta actually
Exactly.
open the door. You gotta have the key.
Bro.
You know, that's like.
Yo ass do this shit every day, boy. Light a mirror every day. That shit ain't once a week. Shit, I motherfucking do that shit once a week, folks. This shit on some light shit. Purple on some light shit. Folks do this shit every day. This shit a lifestyle. Yeah, we need that.
1.4
with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, shorty. Dang.
Police boat.
They ain't fucking with us on land. They might be fucking with us on water. They ain't fucking with us on land, folks.
I'm running.
Yeah, you blacking, boy. Don't be saying that shit on camera. Hey, how's it going? He said green. Look, 14-year-old right there for you.
What you talking about?
He tweaking. Damn, he in a cat. Let me give him some cat.
He tweaking.
No, I'm just playing, man.
Kiss this shit goodbye.
Bro, they go door 25 years. Your ass gonna start crying. No, bro. This JLT looking good, chunky.
That bitch be saying.
Oh, bro. Alright, y'all. So I'm finna get y'all a little night POV with my boys real quick. Nothing too crazy. Just to put some minutes on this video. I know y'all be liking the longer videos. Y'all know I gotta give y'all boys what y'all like. I need some gas. You already got some?
I got some.
Alright.
Alright, fool.
Damn. That joint's so crazy. Let's see how much it costs to fill up this piece of shit, y'all. My boy getting some gas. Big 93, man. None of that 87 shit around here.
Actually, we're diesel in now.
85, but bro, you taking 93? See, that shit decent. Oh, let me see how much it costs. I should just. Yep, 72. All right, y'all. So my boy Jay was just begging me to get some of these, man. Let me bust these motherfuckers open. Let me bust one of these open, man. Record real quick. Let me see how this motherfucker's coming. Extra sweet, you say, huh? Damn. Something just dropped on me. It's all cool though. You been hyping this motherfucker up too much.
That's definitely the one. You should have gave it a little shake, but.
Is that a beer?
Damn,
Talking about, is that a beer?
That's a beer, bro. I'm definitely gonna grab a drink.
This motherfucker decent though.
I should have grabbed some out that big. That motherfucker is decent. The raspberry one, that motherfucker do be good. Wait. That raspberry one be hitting. Think about it.
These motherfuckers decent.
He's decent as hell. You gotta crack that one open. That one is more like if you fuck with tea type shit, like.
Right. See how this motherfucker coming, man. Get y'all a little review.
Nah, yeah.
Taste test.
That one not it?
Nah, it's not it.
Nah, I was gonna say, I know that one.
This is not
That-
sweet at all.
that
What
one
the
I
fuck
know.
taste like
Yeah.
unsweetened or something.
Yeah, once you drink the sweet, extra sweet, you're not gonna like the sweet one. It's damn near like you gotta either try that first or you gotta really like tea type shit.
Hell no. Line these joints up, take a little quick flick. Finna take a quick flick with these joints out. Out and about. Y'all know Dave will go get y'all the good content, good quality. Always good quality, got to. Wait for my doggies. I know y'all be liking highway POVs. Y'all just want to hear that wine. Hear that wine go nuts. Y'all boys, what y'all want to see? Try to wait for my boys real quick. It ain't never no race. Gotta get this content in for y'all boys. I just almost got on the wrong side, y'all. His joint is popping so crazy. Roll down my window a little bit so y'all can hear it. That bitch sounds so fucking disgusting. Oh my God. Here go Di Milano. God. Big scatty. Hellcats is so like, to me, like 6.4 sound way louder than 6.2 liters, bro. Like that supercharged shit cool, but them 6.4s just sound so crazy. Alright, y'all, so I hope that y'all like this video, man. If y'all haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. That's how my videos get out there. Please hit that like button, y'all, and watch my videos all the way through. And if you haven't yet, and if you behind on my videos, go back and watch my videos. I got a whole playlist. I got a Scat Pack playlist, and I got a 2023 jailbreak playlist. So just go watch my whole playlist. And I appreciate all of y'all that been rocking with me. And it's been your boy, Davo, and I'm out, y'all. Peace.